Hey everyone, welcome to a user perspective based on a simple blackjack game that's been created by myself, Amir Shaw. I believe it's just easier to show user perspective on video and then talk about it in a conclusion. Um, so let's begin. So, how to play? Let's get this option out. The game is simple for those who don't know what blackjack is. Closest to 21 wins. The dealer will keep hitting until 17 or over. Decide when to stand, but be careful. If the dealer beats you, you lose. This is for pure entertainment and not for gambling. Play responsibly. Alright, let's continue since we are ready. Let's begin. Start. Press enter. Enter your name. I'm going to put Amir. Let's go. Your name is Amir. You're playing against the dealer or the house. Are you ready? Yes, I am. So in my hand I've been provided with a queen and a jack. My current hand score is 20, though the dealer hand score is 19. What we're going to do? Well, we're going to stand because it's logic. So as we can see here, I've stood still. Now the dealer has stood still since the score is over 17, which means we've won. So let's go again. We've been provided with a hand of 5, a 2 and a 3. In this game the suit of the card is irrelevant to the application. It is just the values that do the calculation here. So we have a 5, they have an 11, we're going to hit. We've got a 14 and we're going to risk it to get to 21. Alright, we've just busted, as we can see here, 20. So the dealer has won. We're doing a new deal. We've got an ace and a 5. We're gonna hit. Alright, beautiful. So the calculation is done here, since we're close. However, the calculation is done before the 21 is done. So if the next card that is rolled is within the parameter of 21 or less, then this is considered as an 11 and not a 1. Pretty smart stuff. Anyway, we beat the dealer. Good job. So yeah, the game just keeps repeating. I feel like obviously there is some gameplay missing. As we can obviously see, there is no scoring system, so the game just kind of loops, but it does it procedurally in a good fashion, clearing the deck, etc. But yeah, I believe a scoring system to give the endorphins and the dopamine from winning something to keep playing, but then that's where I believe gambling comes into effect. Yeah, we can keep playing. One amazing user functionality is if we keep going. As you can see, this is just me quickly going through it. The deck will run out of hands eventually. I apologize for the smashing the keyboard sound. Alright, so when it gets to each one of these cards get put into the hand from the deck. Now every card that is taken away from the deck into the hand is removed from the deck, so the deck will eventually diminish. So once the deck gets to a certain amount, the deck is low on cards and it reshuffles and initializes a new randomized deck. I feel this is all done in well, so let's change the option now. Instead of new deal, we go main menu. That's it. It brings us back to the first menu that we were presented when we began the game. And then we can do start again, which then asks us to enter the name. There you are. Alright, I think that does it for the user perspective. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again, and ta-ra.